Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga gilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik tigdig nag-uumapaw ng biyaya ang manambalik sa inyo. So, umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Cancerian. So, let's see, pinaka-messages sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. There's a page of wands. There's a good news, no? May magandang balita daw dito na sinasabi. Merong iyahatid sa yung information or something in messages or email. Pero ang lakas ng energy, good news to. And because there's a two of course, there's a partnerships. And because there's an happy couple, unconditional love. And of course, there is an equality or an attraction to connection, no? To each and every you. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a 10 of Pentacles, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Pagdating sa finances, kumbaga, there's an unexpected financial windfall. Additional messages. And I guess there's a 5 of Swords. So, there's a defeat or something, self-sabotage, surrender. Kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga bagay-bagay. There's a changes, kumbaga, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo mag-walking away. Hindi lahat ng laban nilalaban. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kumbaga, kailangan na alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung grounds mo. Hindi mo kailangan, kumbaga, magkaroon ng sabotage, no? Self-sabotage. Maging aware ka, kaya huwag ka nagbibigay ng kahit anong informations, no? Baka magamit against sa'yo. Because there's a page of swords, kumbaga there's a curiosity. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan curious ka sa lahat ng bagay. Kapag may mga bagay na nagtatanong kung tungkol sa'yo, kumbaga kailangan, alam mo na kagad na bakit, ganito, diba? Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan na mag-share kagad ng ideas, information, knowledge sa'yo, no? And of course, sinasabi din dito, there's a Knight of Cups, there's an offer. There's an offer na sinasabi dito, no? Kumbaga may mga offer na ibibigay sa'yo. There's a romantic offer, proposal, or something, no? Or invitation. There's a messages, advices, no? And of course, there is a judgment. So, there's a wake-up call, no? There's a judgment, sinasabi dito. Kumbaga, self-evaluation. May mga bagay, itong good news na tumakuha mo, kailangan alamin mo muna, no? Kumbaga, baka red flag to or something. So, let's see what is the Two of Cups. Pero suddenly, sinasabi dito na, kumbaga, parang awakening lang siya, no? And because there is a King of Cups, there is a devoted and supportive person. Itong tao na to, about sa love na to, talagang mahal ka dito, emotional and practically, and of course, anything na, kumbaga, hindi lang siya tagmamahal eh. Kumbaga, partnership talaga. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles. So, there is a the Moon card. There is a dreams. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng kumbaga, katuparan sa pangarap mo or kumbaga, sa mga hinihiling mo, sa mga goals mo. So, magkakaroon to talaga ng successful eksena, no? So, what is the Five of Swords? And of course, the Five of Swords represent the Hermit card. Soul searching, no? Dapat inaalam mo muna yung bagay-bagay. And of course, kumbaga, yung reflections, no? Kumbaga, yung magiging, kumbaga, yung magre-reflect ba sa'yo, kumbaga, kapag nagbigay ka ng gantong eksena, kumbaga, baka magkaroon ng self-defeat, no? Yung self-sabotage. Mag-ingat. And because there is a Queen of Cups, there is a healing, magkakaroon ka raw ng healing dito sa information na to. So, let's see what is the Knight of Cups. There is a Death card. So, there is an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na. May mga bagay na magsisimula. There is a spiritual transformations and new beginning coming in for you. Kumbaga itong offer na to, kailangan mo i-let go, kailangan mong hayaan, no? There's a changes. And of course, there's a Page of Wands and of course, the Justice by the Justice card. So, sinasabi dito, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, balance and of course, justice. And of course, there's information or truth and honest, no? Kumbaga, ginigising ka lang sa katotohanan lahat ng bagay-bagay na, kumbaga, yung mga bagay-bagay na alam mo mangyayari sa'yo, kumbaga, itong good news na to is, kumbaga, sa makakabuti para sa'yo, no? yung cause and effect. So, let's see what is the Two of Cups and the King of Cups. Baka there's a legal issues din, no? And because there is a Nine of Pentacles, there's a blossoming abundance. Some of you, kumbaga about sa partnership nyo, kumbaga kung may negosyo kayo, lalaki yan at talagang lalakas, no? And because there's a the Hangman, baguhin mo daw yung perspective or pananaw mo or mindset mo, no? Baka yun yung nagbibigay ng delays para hindi ba isa kataparan yung mga pangarap mo. Kasi there's a solid foundation and of course there's a dreams. Nasa sa'yo na yan kung paano mo ba tutuparin yan. Basta sinasabi dito matutupad to. Pero there's a way, no? Kumbaga kailangan mo lang baguhin yung mga way mo, ay yung intuition, ay yung ano mo, yung knowledge mo or something na pananaw, ganon. And yung mindset mo, no? And because there's a Three of Wands, kumbaga there's an information by trouble. Baka may trouble dito, no? Baka mag-ibang bansa ka, kumbaga maging aware ka ha, baka mayroong mga pasabay dyan, mag-ingat ka. Or something, ha? Basta kailangan secure ka dyan. And of course, there's a Page of Swords, and of course, the Queen of Cups. There's a King of Swords, being wise, no? At kailangan maging wise ka at maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon. Kailangan ma-curious ka, kailangan alamin mo lahat-lahat, hindi pwedeng ganito, ganyan. Kailangan kumpletuhin mo yung lahat ng malalaman mo bago ka mag-take na action. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication and fast movement, no? There's a trouble. Meron dito ang trouble talaga na magpapabago ng buhay mo. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Four of Cups. Reevaluate or analyze. No, kailangan mo, bago mo tanggapin isang offer, kailangan mo muna alamin, siguraduhin. Because there's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a destiny to happen. Talagang, there's a good luck, no? Ang swerte ay iikot na sa palad mo. And of course, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na gusto mo. Destiny is yours, pero kailangan mong maging balanse at gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong mabuti at kabubuti mo. Kasi there's a justice eh. Cause and effect yan. Depende na lang yan kung paano mo siya gagawin. Kung gagawa ka ng hindi maganda, hindi magiging maganda ang outcome na yan. And of course, there's a both. Moving on and closure issues, no? And of course, there's an arriving. Talaga makakaalis ka. May trouble talaga. And addictions. Some of you ay yung nagbibigay ng blockages, no? And of course, there's a photograph. There's a memories. Make new memories. No? Makakagawa ka ng mga bagong alaala. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. What is the yin and yang oracle card? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a toxicity. So, some of you may mga toxic attitude or toxic behavior. Yun yung nagbibigay ng blockages. And of course, there's a release. Ayun sinasabi release, no? Kailangan mo alisin yan sa sarili mo. Alisin mo yan sa landasin mo. And of course, kailangan mo mag-take ng action and beginning is coming your way. Additional messages. Additional messages, Angel Spirit. There's a freedom na parang makakalaya ka na sa bangungot ng nakaraan, sa mga nangyari sa'yo from the past. And of course, there's an author. Ikaw yung magdidikta, ikaw yung magsusulat ng sarili mong pahina. So, gandahan mo ang kwento mo. Additional messages. Additional messages. There's a fear. Some of you, ito yung kailangan mo i-release, yung fear and guilt. Yung galit at of course yung takot, no? Eh, yung kalisin mo kailangan, kasi yun yung nagbibigay ng blockages sa'yo eh. What is Archangel Michael messages for you? It's time to leave the unhealthy situation. See? Pakawalan mo yung mga bagay na hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. No? And make a commitment. So, gumawa ka ng bagay na alam mong magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. Your home is protected by angels. Protectado naman ang iyong tahanan ng ating mga gabay. So, do it what you want. No? Monsology. What is the Monsology? Communication is the key. No? Kailangan magkaroon ng communication, heart-to-heart talk or something na magkakaroon ng kapagkakaunawaan. And of course, process and progression. No? And because there's a show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga at yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. No? Alisin mo yung kahinaan or yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng kahinaan. No? Labanan mo yung takot at pangamba. And of course, a woman holding a coin. So, some of you, baka ikaw yung may hawak ng finances, no? If you were women. So, if some of you, if you were a man, so, baka yung asawa mo magaling humawak ng pera, no? And because there's an action, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. And door to the personal healing and happiness. Magkakaroon ka ng healing in all aspect and all factor, no? Kung magkakaroon ka ng healing sa finances, career, love life, and of course, health. And of course, there's an happiness na magdadala sa iyo ng kaligayahan sa lahat ng aspeto. Let's see what is this chakra messages for you. Chakra messages, enlightenment. Unti-unti ka na naliliwanagan. At unti-unti ka na maliliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari. And of course, there's an instinct. Pakikinggan mo at paniniwalaan mo lahat ng mga intuitions mo, no? At makinig ka sa inner voice. And of course, there's a bittersweet. No, kumbaga sa lahat ng mga pait na naranasan mo, may tamis ng tagumpay na inaasam-asam mo. So, additional messages. Okay, there's a messages for you na the inner self, expansion, palawakin mo yung kaalaman mo, palawakin mo yung sarili mo, no? And because there's a premonition, some of you baka nakita mo na to, there's a visions na, kumbaga nakita mo na yung pangitain or something na, nakita mo na yung mangyayari sa'yo, no? Parang ganon. Kumbaga, do it what you want, then of course, you have a freedom to do it. So, what is Arkanghel? Raphael. Fresh air. So, kailangan mo rin ng sariwang hangin, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of Star Family, call in support. So, ibig sabihin dito, lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo ay sinusuportahan ka, even your angel spirit guides, no? Kumbaga, parang sinasabi nandito na kalayaan na magawa mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin, no? So, let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 00, I am a servant. So, sinasabi dito, angels ask for your attentions. Open your eyes, listen, and think about everything that is happening. Trust your intuition and follow their guidance without any delays. Focus inwards through meditation and prayer. See? Kailangan mo rin pagmasdan yung mga bagay-bagay. Mayroong mga red flag, no? Makinig ka raw sa red flag. Kasi there's a judgment, red flag. And of course, there's an information na maging aware ka, baka masabotahe ka. Yun yung sinasabi dito, ha? What is the messages of life? Strength card. So, sinasabi dito, today I maintain control of my emotions. I rise up above self-doubt. I affirm my own power and stand strong in my unshakable faith. Today I know that I have the strength to overcome anything and I can turn. I find my courage in the truth, holding tight on the force of love. I interpret over fear. So, ibig sabihin dito, nilalaban naman yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kumbaga, handa ka ng lumaban sa hamon ng buhay. So, may mga paalala lang sa'yo ang ating angel spirit na kailangan mong pagmasdan at kailangan mo mag-obserba yung mga nangyayari around you. Kasi may red flag, no? May red flag na kailangan mo pakinggan at kailangan mo malaman. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Cancer yan. Maraming salamat, Cancer, for your wonderful reading. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik digdig na umapaw manambalik sa inyong biyaya. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nagko-comment and of course, nag-share ng aking videos. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!